So, what do we do now?
We get to work. Get on the holo. I'll do the same. We make calls to whoever comes to mind. Find us a net runner you trust. One who's capable of getting inside NCPD systems.
You're in luck. Running the net's what I do.
Your field experience is rich and it'll be valuable here. We need a dedicated runner jacked into a full rig. Data forts in their sights, the works.
Reed, we'll get her back.
I know.
V, to what do I owe the pleasure? Bringing me juicy urban gossip?
I wish. Got urgent biz, could use your help.
So, some encrypted shards you need me to crack? Come by, we'll sort it out.
Afraid it's more complicated than that.
V, what else is new?
Need a heavy hack. Into Max Tech.
Phew. Listen, V, even if I could, with Max Stock there's a risk of blowback, my choom. On me, the entire family. I'd be putting their safety on the line. If only it wasn't the Psycho Squad. Got that name for a couple of reasons, you know? But this, one slip-up, they'd trace me to the Aldecados quick as mercury. And mercury's poison.
Didn't quite hear no in there.
No, V. And I'm sorry. Risk's just too great.
It's okay. I get it. Thanks anyway, I'll keep looking.
V, wait. I'll zip you something in case your brush with Max Tech bleeds over into, well, real space.
You're a saint, Carol. Take all the help I can get.
Just be careful, V. All right?
Yes.
Hands, hey. My turn. I got a job for you this time.
You for me. Peculiar. If you're expecting me to guess...
So listen. Trusted runner. You of all folks gotta have one on your payroll? Someone for special jobs?
Special meaning... high risk. Out with it, V. Declare your need.
Next Max Tech prisoner convoy. Direction, Los Padres. Need the route ASAP.
Los Padres. Well, what you're planning is rather apparent then. I have a contact. One capable of extracting the information you require. For the right price. 15,000. Non-negotiable. Still interested?
Zipping the edge your way now. And I expect results, Hands.
Transfer received. I am sending the coordinates. Be there in... bear with me. 10 hours. The data shard will be waiting. Encrypted, naturally. Accessible to you based on biometric identification. Oh, and do your utmost not to make a mess of this, V. I despise cleaning up after others.
Thanks. Later, Hands.
V, it's been quite some time. What can I do for you?
Listen, Yoko. Hands tell you I'd swing by. It's about a gig.
Oh, so it is you he meant. This day just got more interesting. First, I'll need confirmation our mutual acquaintance, in fact, sent you. Then we can talk. Connect here. I'll verify through biometric scan.
Okay, have at it.
Decryption will take a moment. Apologies. But it's necessary for a job of this caliber. Well, V, I didn't expect us to work together again. How is your running? Polishing your skills?
Sorry to disappoint, but no. Ain't the chair jock you hoped I'd be by now. Wouldn't be here otherwise.
On one hand, I'm a bit disappointed. On the other, I am glad to see you.
Take what I can get.
Mm-hmm. On the subject of taking, let's discuss your issue. All you need is here. Just so you know, gathering it wasn't easy. The MaxTac data fortress is a labyrinth and a panopticon combined. Every node you pass attracts 1,000 unwanted stares.
But you managed. You're my hero, Yoko.
Wait. Our cooperation need not end here, if you catch my meaning. That is, if you plan to do what I think with this data. Interested?
Maybe. No, strict hypothetical. What you think I aim to do?
Let's suppose you positioned yourself where a certain convoy was to pass.
Mm-hmm. And?
And let's suppose you were either prepared or insane enough to eliminate the guards of the convoy. Hot or cold?
Getting warm.
Our mutual friend would offer additional thanks for the windfall that would result from this. If you would be so kind and send us the coordinates of the location where you deal with your problem.
You after max tech gear, is that it? Get there before anyone else does?
You would only need to send the coordinates.
Give it a shot, but no promises.
I need the coordinates, nothing more. In return, I guarantee a generous reward. Good luck.
Know that data's cause enough for Max Tack to Max Murder.
They'll have to get in line.
Touché. Alrighty.
Well, I hope you like it. And if you like these videos and streams, push the like button and follow on either Twitch, YouTube, or both. Whatever it is, it would help me out. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
Attention Dogtown! This is Ben! Colonel Kurt Hansen is dead! I repeat, Kurt Hansen is dead! It's a dark day here in Dogtown. Now the Colonel went out the way he lived, gun in hand, and the motherfuckers who took him out, oh, they'll pay. You know why. Kurt Hansen may be dead, but Vargas is alive and well! How the fuck do you turn this thing off?
One problem.
Jumping Max Tack now, are we? Stepping up your game. Busting into Arasaka Tower it ain't. But it's up there. Somewhere. Trying to knock me off the arch-terrorist pedestal?
The famed JS got a hot take on all this?
On going toe-to-toe with Max Tack? Hell yeah. Good fucking luck. 'Cause you're gonna fucking need it.
Meant Reed and Songbird.
Huh. What's there to say? Chick bought a one-way ticket to cyber hell. Floored the chew and cut the brakes.
And she's dragging us along.
Can say that again.
Mm-hmm.
Nuh-uh, that was not part of our deal, Reed. They get wind it was us, might as well start digging our own fucking graves.
You say that every time, Gunner. Yet nobody's ever found out. And no one ever will.
Look, if shit goes sideways and Washington pins it on us, then...
Careful. If I were you, I wouldn't finish that thought.
This your partner? Fuck me. Didn't know you'd signed onto some suicide pact. Now hold up a second.
But I'm dying.
I know you. Heard a thing or two about you. More good than bad. You're sure to come in handy. Now for a dozen more like you to stand any chance of surviving.
Your boys. Not gonna stick around, help us out?
Not a snowball's chance in hell. Got something might even your shitty odds, though. Lend them the drone. One that was to go to them Haywood clowns. On the house, folks. Consider it a parting gift.
That's enough.
Well then, I just hope the FIA sends us new contact deets once you're busy pushing up daisies. But if you do survive this cat orgy of an op, remember, you and me are square now.
Modern day patriotism for you. About time we went over the plan.
Gangoon's loyal to a country they're just not part of.
The fight to annex Night City, make it NC and USA rages on. We're not affiliated officially. On the sly, at times we let them do us favors, make them feel important.
In USA's useful idiots?
They're loyal. The rest doesn't concern me at all. Now, you mind if we get down to biz?
Ready to plan, strategize? Got everything we need?
Got everything we can count on having. I flicked through your intel. Convoy routes, vehicle array, weaponry they're likely to have. It's not gonna be easy. The reason they're called Psycho Squad's twofold. They're almost cyber psychos themselves. The best chance we have of stopping them's here. Traffic minimal, vantage points optimal. They'll come down this road. Once in range, we hit them hard. Bring them to a stop. We then neutralize all MaxTac operatives, grab Songbird, run it to an exfil point just across the SoCal border. Our friend here knows the specifics. He'll fill you in. I got one last thing I need to take care of.
Take it you're here to help.
Here's a lowdown. Convoy will roll in from the northwest. Likely run right into the booby trap cars we'll set up. This could decommission a few vehicles. Force the rest to switch lanes. We'll cut off any chance of retreat. Set off some planted charges, stop them dead in their tracks. Second Reed pops a behemoth driver, you'll dive in. Your chum Reed also requested some badass toys. Offensive turrets, mines, smoke grenades, ladder, not an issue. But the mines and turrets. Want to weigh in, sift to the deets, or leave prep to me? It's your call.
Deets, my man. Walk me through 'em.
Right on. When fixing to go out guns blazing, best be on your own terms. Slot the shard. Once the drone's airborne, I'll explain the whats, hows, and whys.
Let's give it a whirl.
All right. 2 items of biz to nail down. One's your strategy. Second, the kit we need to set you up
Here,
with.
what's on the tasting menu?
Sitch is simple. Reed wants both mines and turrets. Well, I want a divorce without saying goodbye to a single innie. Can have a cake, but only to stare at it till it goes bad. Short notice, folks. Can hook you up with one or the other, not both. Turrets for firepower, mines for crippling mobility. Your call, boss.
Where'd it be good to plant mines?
Depends on your chosen tactic. We could leave them some party favors at the Sky Bridge's inns, and at the hotel door. Prevent the motherfuckers from taking high ground. Makes the most sense if you'll be firing from there. Then again, if you'd rather go street level, get in close, we can pepper the mines over the road surface. So what do you say? We mining the road, or the way up to the terrace?
Mine the road. Be looking to get in close, fast as I can.
Ask, and you shall receive.
Want to talk strategy? What are our options?
Got about as many as there are frilly tea rooms in Dogtown. So, not a whole lot. Do best to figure out the position you'll be ambushing them from. Then decide if smoke nades favor you there.
How would we use them?
We set nades off on the road. For a time, the assholes will be aiming and shooting blind. Hopefully, each other.
What about Reed and me? Won't it reduce visibility for us?
Newsflash. There's no such thing as perfect solutions. Always some trade-off. We can paralyze them, ease your way into their ranks, but it'll cost you in the reduced effectiveness of Reed's covering fire. Decision's yours. We doing nades or not?
What the hell? Let's try using them. Should be surprising. Even if they're quick to regroup, it'll buy us time.
A gamble. But it could pay off. Like my old man used to say, life's a losing game, but you go all in anyway. Moving on. You're starting positions for when the shit hits the fan. Care for a gander?
Sure. What are my options?
Terrace is a solid choice. Prime visibility and pissing range of the convoy. But there are possibilities aplenty. The stairs? You'll have the ambush laid out in front of you. Means opportunities for laying down strategic fire. Third approach is riskier. By the Sky Bridge, can close the gap from there in no time. In a nutshell, terrace is safe, secure position. Stairs give you prime visibility. Sky Bridge lets you get up close and personal, real quick.
Right, clear. Good positions. I'll pick one, perch there, set up.
Yeah, cooking with gas now.
Plan's shaping up real nice. Just need a word with Reed now.
Gonna set up then, and make tracks. As for you two, well, good fucking luck.
Ready on my end. You?
Almost. This is our jammer. I just need to calibrate it so the signal isn't too strong. Otherwise, So Me could... I just hope we're not too late.
Clear to see you care about her. Still. Reed?
Let's focus on the task at hand.
Fine. Say fuck all for all I care.
I'm focused on the op. That's it.
Focused, right? That's what it is.
V,
Spare both of us the bullshit.
you want to know the truth? Fine. Today, or 7 years ago, don't know what exact point I fucked up. The end result's that now we're here while she could die. I just pray that she's the one we're saving. The Somi I knew, and not some fucking scared, V. Scared my grip on everything is slipping. There. Happy?
Maybe you're right, maybe you're not. Won't know until we finish this. So let's hop to it.
I just gotta jam max tax frequencies. Get ready.
That thing jamming his pangs of conscience too? Ought to get myself one.
What are you on about now?
Chick's a half brain dead, half AI controlled zombie. Yet still the gonk's convinced his old partner's trapped inside. That only he can save her.
Maybe he's scared this might all be his fault.
New guys like him in the army. Gonks who thought they were born to hold people's lives in their hands. Shit never ended well. Always with a lose-lose.
Just talk to her.
Huh?
Body language. I could tell you enabled the relic. So was it her? Did you grab hold of Song?
No, just, side effect of the relic. Your CHOOMS at Langley will have their work cut out for him.
Right. Understood. All right. Jam is calibrated. Do you know what to do?
Take my position, await the convoy. Going hot when I see the charges pop.
We grab Song and head for the exfil point on the border. Clean quick, no slip-ups, no trip-ups. And one eye on Song the whole time. Got it?
Okay. Moving to my position. Good luck, Reed.
We won't need luck.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Okay. Waiting.
I got eyes on the target. All right, they're in or in the tunnel.
V. Songbird. How the hell did you...
I was not you. Anyone but you.
So me. You there? Link's alive?
I trusted you. But I won't mistake again. Stay out of my way. I'm warning you.
We'll be over soon. We're close by. Here to help.
You wouldn't read it. Help. You would break me out of this cage just to shut me in another. Soon I'll regain control.
On the move, get ready.
Songbird made contact. Link's still active. She won't forgive us, not for...
Don't expect her to. We need to focus now. On my mark. Now. Let's get to work. What's up, B? We can do this as long as we work together.
Copy that. Let's give him hell. I'm at the truck, Reed.
Careful now.
Fuck!
Who the fuck are you? Sniper on the roof!
Work with me, B. Keep it up! Finish it, B. Come on! Now, finish up our target.
You're fucked now!
Try me, assholes!
Wounded that one. Trust me, this one's a two-hander, V. Won't take one long. Keep it up!
There we go. That's how you
Take
get them to stop that.
the fucking sniper!
Come on! Come on!
Oh my god, it's almost dead.
Fuck! Man down!
Targeted another.
We'll fucking end you!
Try me, assholes!
A couple of times. Take him down. We don't forget their implants. Wait till I score a hit and give them hell.
Pan fry the bitch if she gets closer! I'm hit! Fucking sniper!
Trust me, this one's a two-hander, V. Won't take one long. Good work. I got a bogey in my crosshairs. Keep it up!
Sniper on the roof!
Wounded that one. Keep it up!
Careful with these shit, Daniel.
Targeted another. We don't forget their implants. Wait till I score a hit, then give them hell. Come on!
Why did I do that? I do not know.
Come on! Finish it, B. Keep it up! down. Finish up my target.
Finally.
You left me no choice. Leave me alone. Don't follow me. Before it's too late.
Goddamn shrapnel. Fuck.
How bad we talking? Reed? Oh, shit.
I'll be alright, V. Got the luck of the damned me.
Need any help?
I'll manage. Shit was a moment there I thought we were goners.
Nah. You and me, we bid them bye-bye.
Go. Stay on her tail. We can't lose her. I'll catch up as soon as I patch myself up.
You sure?
Go. Save her, V. I'll keep this line open. Regroup with you as soon as I can.
Copy that.
Serious? Max Tack pushed me into you. I wasn't
Looking at a
moving, I
wall
was
with a
stationary.
huge
I
hole
look
in it.
like I give a
Rammed
shit.
clean
You
through.
tell.
You have eyes on her? Is she okay?
No visual yet. Need to scope the place out.
Stay sharp.
Song's not here. Truck's empty. Seeing something, a digital residue? Spooky aura? A spectral footprint?
You're seeing it thanks to you and Somi's link. The black wall bleed should lead us straight to her. Bring her out alive, V. If I'm to help her, if I'm to help you, I need her alive.
Standing in front of a gate so me pass through. It's jammed shut.
There's gotta be another way. Look around. She's in bad shape, V. She's actively linked to the Black Wall. She could lose the control she still has at any second.
Yeah, you too.
I'll be fine. I'll rejoin you as soon as I'm back on my feet. You keep moving.
Gaze into the abyss, you'll find the abyss staring right back at you.
Oopsies.
To the abyss, you'll find the abyss staring right back at you. And I don't like the look it's given me. The kind that says there ain't no coming back. Sure you want to do this?
Don't got a choice. Not really.
Always got a choice, V. Like the choice to Delta the fuck out of here, for one.
Come too far, Johnny. Remember what's at stake. We don't get the song, we don't get the help Reed promised us.
Oh, I remember. Question is if whatever's down there is still the Songbird we know and love.
I'll find out soon enough. Got a Militech logo. That can't be right, can it?
Find the terminal. Jack in. I think I might know what this place is. You see any kind of terminal? Need to hurry up.
Patching you in.
You're in a top-secret military facility dating back from the pre-data crash days. Cyberpunk. The data's decrypting. Hold on.
Cyberpunk. Cyberspace equivalent of a nuke. Militech's answer to Arasaka's Soul Killer. Just the next edition of your average megacorp mega-dick contest.
Somi mentioned this facility once. Militech net runners taking a plunge into the so-called deep net.
The hell is this all for, though?
It's no coincidence she wound up here. She's not running from us, V. She wants a permit to the Blackwall. The sheer weight of it.
Ah, shit!
You still don't understand the thing, do you? You never will. Not fully. Not me. How it feels to lose yourself. Layer after layer. That's why you betrayed me. Why you took me out of the equation.
Stop running and let us help.
You still trust Reed? It's more convenient, yes?
No.
They lied to you. You're sinking, grasping at straws as the deluge consumes you. Saul, Myers, their promises didn't help me. Won't help you.
You promised to help me too.
It doesn't matter now.
Yes,
We
it
still
is.
want the same thing. And if anyone can help us, it's Reed.
Reed lives in a world of half-truths of his own making.
Oh, fuck. Come on, Songbird! Songbird!
Chick cut our comms. Or she woke something up down there that did that for her. And here we are going down, 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 the rabbit hole into the heart of darkness. Tell me you've got a plan.
No.
Gotta get to Somi before the Blackwall does. Save her.
Real noble of you, long as the Blackwall hasn't stripped her to the bone. Because then we'd be walking straight into a trap.
Authorization complete. Welcome, Songbird. Initializing permissions migration.
V,
What's up? What is it?
she's here. Chick's establishing a link with the relic, but she's not alone.
Is it the Blackwall? Johnny? Johnny!
Migration complete. Permission status. Universal.
No Reed. No Silverhand. No one.